Hello students. I am going to solve some questions from coordinate geometry, exercise 7.1, question number 6, and these questions are based on the distance formula, and distance formula you studied in previous videos. Distance formula क्या होता है? What is distance formula? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So we have to use this formula and to say that this quadrilateral, which type of this quadrilateral form here, and we have 4 points because 4-sided makes any quadrilateral. Suppose A B C D ये quadrilateral दिया है, क्वाड्रिलेटरल है. क्वाड्रिलेटरल मीन्स स्क्वायर है, रेक्टेंगल है, पैरेललोग्राम है, रोम्बस. 4-sided फिगर्स का पर्टिकुलर नेम बताना है. सो वी हैव 4 पॉइंट्स ए बी सी डी. तो फर्स्ट वी फाइंड 4 sides A B B C C D and D. Then again we find diagonals AC and BD. So check what is to find out here. AB निकालेंगे, then BC CD DER AD and also this diagonal AC, diagonals AC and BD. इतना निकालेंगे. ये निकालने के बाद if 4-sided equal and diagonals equal, it is square. If front side opposite sides equal and diagonals equal, that is rectangle. So let's see here. Write solution here. We can let points B A minus 1 minus 2 B 1 0 C minus 1 and 2 and D is minus 3 0. So distance formula से first we find AB हम लोग निकालेंगे by distance formula. Distance AB फार्मूला पहले पढ़ चुके हैं हम लोग. x2 माइनस x1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y2 माइनस y1 होल स्क्वायर. वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड दिस a and b, AB, and a is -1 -2 and b is 1 0. इसको निकालना है. तो फर्स्ट दिस x1 y1 स्टार्टिंग से हमेशा लिखेंगे x1 y1 x2 y2. x2 is 1, x1 is -1, that means in the bracket -1 whole square plus y2 is 0, y1 is -2. again we make the bracket, a square हो गया. minus into minus plus 1 plus 1 square plus this 0 minus into minus plus 2 square. So AB 1 plus 1 2 का square, ये 0 plus 2 का square. So AB equal to this 4 plus 4 equal to root 8, and it factorize this 2 4 8 2 2 4 2 1 2. That means it is 2 coming this 3 times. Now AB is equal to, it has pairs, 2 into 2 का रूट होगा 2. ये आ गया AB. We find this AB. Now BC. Same formula, x2 minus x1 whole square, and we write here BC. What is B? B is 1 0 and C is -1 2. Write once again, it is x1 y1, it is x2 y2. So x2 minus x1 minus 1, x2 minus x1, same formula, x2 minus x1. x1 is 1 square plus y2 is 2 and y1 is 0. So by distance formula, what we get here, BC so BC equal to -1 minus 2 को square plus 2 minus 0 2 square minus 2 square minus square plus, and BC it is 4 minus 2 square 4 plus 4 root 8 and root 8 equals 2 root 2 like previous 2 root 2 units and ये भी सेम आ गया. सेकेंड भी हो गया दिस. नाउ सी डी सेम फार्मूला x2 minus x1 whole square y2 minus y1 whole square. CD CD C is -1 and 2, D is -3. जिसको निकालना होगा यहाँ साइड में लिख लेंगे तो इजी होगा. You will not write here x1 y1 x2 y2, यहाँ लिखेंगे तो इजी होगा. x2 -3, x1 is -1 inside the bracket whole square, y2 is 0 minus y2 y1 is 2. Now CD equals to -3 minus into minus plus 1 square, 0 minus 2 square. Now CD equals to -3 plus 1 minus 2 square plus minus 2 square 4, and this also -2 square 4 plus 4. So इसको कंप्लीट कर देते हैं. 4 plus 4 root 8 equal to also becoming this 2 root 2 units. ये भी सेम आ गया तो ये भी निकल गया. We found AB, BC, CD. Next DRAD. Now DA, same formula we write D. D is -30 and A is -1 -2, x1 y1 x2 y2. So x2 minus x1 -1 minus, यहाँ चेक करना है. x2 is -1, same formula this, and x1 is -3 तो minus written bracket, plus y2 is -2 minus y1 is 0 square. Now DA equal to this -1 plus 3 square -2 minus 0 minus 2 square, getting this 3 minus 1 2 square 4 plus this also 4, root 8 equal to 2 root 2. ये भी आ गया. That means we have found all side AB 2 root 2, BC 2 root 2, this 2 root 2 और DA भी 2 root 2. All sides are same. अब all sides, if all sides are same, we cannot say it is the square, because in the rhombus all sides are also equal. So we also find this AC and ABD. डायगोनल भी निकालेंगे. डायगोनल अगर इक्वल हो गया तो हम बोलेंगे कि it is the square. So we find, let's find diagonal for diagonally AC. Same formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 square. AC. Now A is -1 -2 and C is -1 and 2. तो इस x1 y1 x2 y2. x2 के प्लेस में है -1, x1 है भी -1, ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे स्क्वायर, y2 है 2 माइनस y1 है दिस -2 स्क्वायर, दिस -1 माइनस इंटू माइनस +1 स्क्वायर, दिस 2 माइनस इंटू माइनस +2 स्क्वायर. सो हियर -1 + 1 0 स्क्वायर 0 हो गया, -1 + 1 0 स्क्वायर 0, 2 + 2 4 स्क्वायर, दैट मीन्स 0 में 0, 4 स्क्वायर 16 का रूट क्या होता है, और दैट मीन्स दिस AC इज गेटिंग 4 यूनिट्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट डायगोनल व्हाट वी हैव, इसको इरेज कर रहे हैं. what is next diagonal? So you should check in the figure. Next diagonal is BD. Now diagonal BD equal to same formula. Write formula each and every step, so it will be easy to you. BD, B is 1 0 and D is -3. इसको लिख लेंगे. Then write it is x1, second is x1 y1, this x2 y2. Let's put x2 is -3 minus x1 is 1, y2 has 0, y1 भी है 0, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. B was 1 0 and D is -3 0. Now calculate this. -3 minus 1 minus 4 square, 0 minus 0 0 square 0, minus 4 square 16. This is equal to 4 unit. It is coming units because there is no meter, centimeter, kilometer not given, so we write units. So what we have seen here, so what we have here, all side equal, diagonal also equal. AC is 4 and BD is also this BD 4. So here AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA, and all equal to this 2 √2 units, and diagonals AC equal to BD equal to 4 units. What you have seen here, all sides are equal and diagonals also equal, so it is square. Therefore ABCD is a square. So it is the answer. So by the same technique you can do part second and third. If opposite sides are equal, AB is equal to CD, BC is equal to DA, then again find diagonals. If diagonals also equal, in that case ABCD will be rectangle. If your all side equal and diagonals are not equal, so you can say that is rhombus.